Hi, Bob. I tell you, I am so glad, that last year during the coronavirus outbreak that we got these, these PPEs. People back then thought the coronavirus was bad. It's now mutated to the corona zombie virus. And people out there are hacking and coughing and sneezing. Good thing I had all this PPE on because I tell you, without the PPE, I would be contaminated like you wouldn't believe. Actually, I need to go back out there and pick up something, so just give me a second here, Bob. Let me put on my PPE again, and then I'll get you, and then we can have coffee afterward. I tell you, so glad I got these PPEs last year. Put them back on. People say that PPEs aren't worth anything, but I tell you, they're keeping the viruses off of me today. See ya. Hey, Bob. I tell you. I'm Andrew Copeland for 360 for 30. We are a strong proponent of everyone having PPEs, but if you didn't shout at that last clip of all the mistakes that I made, it's time to learn more about PPEs. PPEs, they're very effective when used correctly, and if used incorrectly, they're at best useless, and at worst make the situation worse. It's up to each of us to know how to use our PPEs correctly.